Welcome to Digital Answer Based YouTube channel. In this video today, we're looking at how to unsubscribe from a YouTube channel. As you can see in front of you here, I'm logged into my YouTube account and I'm subscribed to this particular channel. So if I want to unsubscribe myself from this channel, it's very easy. There's two ways to do it basically. Let me just show you. You can either go to a video and then you can unsubscribe by clicking here, or you can go to the actual channel itself and then unsubscribe from there. So it's very simple. Unsubscribe and then you click on there. It's going to ask you, do you want to unsubscribe from this particular channel? And then you press unsubscribe from there. And now you're unsubscribed from this particular channel. This is how you unsubscribe from a channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you got any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And if you liked the video, if you could be so kind enough to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.